and then destroy the window. Destroy open bracket, close bracket, open semicolon, game object. Alright, and as for the textures, if we want them to change when we shoot them, we can do the following. We're going to say check for two conditions. 1, 2. We're going to say if our current health is equals to 20. No. Change health to 30, sorry. No, sorry, leave it 20, yeah. If we shoot it and we are at 20, then we want to change the texture to something. So render dot material dot main texture equals texture broken texture number 2. And then you want to do the same thing for the first one, but say if the health is equals to this, which is 10, then render dot main texture equals 3. In fact, you don't need number 1, so delete that and save. So that's going to change the texture when we shoot the window. I missed a semicolon somewhere. Again, I keep doing this. Save. I'm just going to show you what the texture look like quickly. There they are. Window crack 1 is this one. I just quickly made that in Photoshop. Window crack 3 is this disgusting looking one. The window's completely broken. And save. Now let's go into our reshoot script and let's add it. So let's add something so we can actually take damage from the window. Now for the first one, let's do it for the attack system. So it's right at the bottom. Let's say if open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace. If hit attack. Alright, what's wrong with this brain more developed today? It's playing out really badly. No, it doesn't matter. Hit attack dot collider dot game object dot compare tag open bracket, close bracket, speech marks. You notice that I didn't use dot tag. You want to use dot compare tag if you want to see, if you want to take damage off colliders. And if we look for a window, save this, and then we're gonna say hit. Do we mean no matches? I swear this is strange. Attack dot collider dot send message. I don't know what this one is. I'm sure it's send message upwards. Yes, it is. Open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. Alright, so we want to send a message to a Windows health system, and we're going to send a message to this function over here, window apply damage. I'm just going to paste that in there, and then comma, and then damage. Now I've got damage made already from our reshoot tutorial, which is minus is 10 health. Now the way this is going to work is basically we're told it to send a message to this function and then minus damage. Now damage is also here, so it knows what it's doing, and damage over in the other script reshoot is set to minus 10, so it's going to minus 10 every time of the current health when it sends a message to this system. Oh, what happened? Ah, there's a missing bracket. No, Monitor while it's playing up. Oh, it's an extra one. Alright, sorry. Back down to where we were. Alright, comma. Yes, back to where it was. Send message options dot do not require receiver. That's it. Now, I quickly have to tell you guys something. If you remember, we made range over here. Call this range attack. Okay, and quickly go to the top and let's just make range attack quickly. Just copy that, put that there, and attack like that. And save it. That's that one done. Copy this whole if statement and go into the reshoot part. Yeah, and paste it underneath the part where we instantiated, enabled the hit particles. That's over here. If you guys are wondering this, I'm not sure if I teached you guys how to make blood effects coming out of bad guys. If I did, then it's under that. If you haven't seen that, then you should paste yours underneath this one. Okay, so it should be underneath hit.collider, send message upwards, apply damage, then send message options, and do not require receiver underneath that one. If you have followed this one, then paste underneath this one. Window, but change this to hit, not hit attack. So hit. Save. Now that's it actually. Back into Unity, let the errors just go away. Add a collider to this, go to Components, Physics, Box Collider, and let's see if the magic works. What? Okay, I've screwed something up. It reloads when the thing just starts. We don't want that to happen. That's because I deleted the closing curly brace for the reshoot. What, really? That one closes that, that one closes that, that one closes this. What's this one closing? Oh shit, I know why. Let me comment out things that you guys don't need to see yet, because you're gonna get confused otherwise. That one was... I don't want to show you this stuff, otherwise it's gonna look like something else. So we should have that. We should have one that closes that, so delete that. Yes, okay. Just ignore that part, please. I don't know if it's minusing health or not, so. And as always, I forget to attach scripts, so please excuse me for that. I'll quickly attach the scripts to this. Windows health system. Windows current is, oh, come on, mesh 12. The replacement body is the one we just made Windows part. Broken detection, which one is number 2 is crack 1. and Windows crack 3 is broken texture 3. Save this and let's see what happens. There you go. You shoot it. You see how the window texture changed? It has cracks on it now. That's it. You shoot it, it breaks. There's actually one problem to this. If you notice that when the window breaks, it doesn't break in the center, it breaks somewhere off. I'll just show you that quickly. We're going to sort that out quickly. So go to create empty. And you want to position this in the center of this object.